Hello everyone, welcome back to his channel. Today, he's diving into a piece of gear that might seem small, but is absolutely crucial for anyone building out a professional audio rack or a tidy patch panel. The DIYTECH XLR Adapter. This isn't just any adapter. It's a 3-pin XLR jack, male to female, specifically designed with mounting hardware included for seamless integration into rack panels and patch panel configurations. Right out of the box, what immediately stands out is the robust build quality. DIYTECH has clearly focused on durability here. The adapter feels solid in hand, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of constant plugging and unplugging in a busy studio or live sound environment. The connectors themselves are precise, ensuring a snug and reliable connection every single time. There's nothing worse than intermittent audio signals due to flimsy adapters, and this one certainly doesn't give that impression. The genius of this particular DIYTECH adapter lies in its thoughtful design for mounting. For anyone who has wrestled with loose cables or tried to create a clean, organized setup, the included mounting hardware is a game changer. It allows for a fixed, secure point for your XLR connections, transforming a chaotic mess of cables into a streamlined, professional-looking system. Imagine a studio where every input and output is clearly labeled and easily accessible from a front panel. That's the kind of efficiency this adapter helps achieve. Whether it's for a custom rack build in a home studio, a professional recording facility, or even a mobile live sound rig, the ability to securely mount these adapters is invaluable. The male-to-female configuration is standard and incredibly versatile, making it suitable for extending existing runs, creating custom breakout boxes, or simply providing accessible front panel connections for microphones, instruments, or other audio equipment. Its 3-pin design ensures compatibility with the vast majority of professional audio gear, maintaining signal integrity without compromise. He's particularly impressed by how DIYTECH has packaged this solution. It's not just an adapter, it's a complete solution for integration. This attention to detail saves time and frustration, as users don't have to source separate mounting screws or clips. Everything needed for a clean installation is right there. This makes it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike who value efficiency and a polished finish. In conclusion, for anyone looking to elevate their audio setup with reliable, high-quality, and easily mountable XLR connections, the DIYTECH XLR adapter is an outstanding choice. It delivers on its promise of robust construction, precise connectivity, and most importantly, provides the essential hardware for a truly professional rack or patch panel configuration. It's a small component that makes a huge difference in the overall functionality and aesthetics of an audio system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.